everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I'm back today to share a tag with you. Now, I only did one tag for this video. I know I normally do 3, but, well, I did 2 of them, but they're identical. And on this one, I did use my Chai Badge button maker. And I love how it turned out. But I am going to tell you that I used a different brand of buttons other than the ones that came with my Chai badge maker, and learned that there is a definite difference in the quality. So I'm going to order some more from Chai Badge or Chai Button Maker. Chai Buttons is the name of their store, and I will link it in the description box for you because I absolutely love my button maker. And I ordered the dies for the 2 1/4 inch size, and they came the other day. They're so pretty and shiny and silver. I love them, and I can hardly wait to play with them. But I really like the quality of their stuff, and their die or their badge pieces were much better than these ones. So once I get more, I will make more of these tags, but until I get more from them, this is all I'm going to make of these. And I'll be back in 1 second to share them with you so I can explain a little further why I'm doing that. Alright, this is the tag that I made. I googled a candy cane background and found a free one, and so that's where the background came from. I googled a free elf clip art, and that's where the little elf came from. So none of this cost me anything to get. And here is the little elf that I made. I did his face into a badge so he can come off. There's holes in the into the actual tag, so his little face will come off, and you can put him on your jacket or whatever for, you know, the holiday season. And this layered piece here is actually all printed on. I didn't want to put a lot into this because it already has holes in the tag. The tag's useless. You're not going to be able to, you know, save it and reuse it, or save it and put it on your tree or anything like that. So there wasn't any sense in putting a bunch of layers and a bunch of effort and work into it. I used my Keep It Simple To and From stamp set from Paper Tray Ink. This is my ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And that's it. That was all that was done on this. It was really easy to do, really quick. I mean, you could really mass produce these really fast. These would be great for craft fairs, teachers' gifts, co-worker gifts. Super, super easy. And then, of course, the badge comes off. Now, if I'll put a link to my other video where I did Santa. When you pick him up or move him, his head doesn't wiggle or bob around because it's in there pretty snug. It's a good quality piece of material. The badge is a good quality. This one is very loose because it's just not the same quality of badge. And of course, I didn't know that. I had, you know, this was all new to me. But I know now to purchase my refill parts from Chai Buttons, and that's what I will be doing in the future. And so until I get the new ones, I'm only going to make these 2 here. I've got this one and this one, and they're pretty much identical. Just, you know, moved where I put the 2 on there. But see, the thing moves so much, it's not going to stay where I need it to stay. Because the badge itself, it's not the holes that are different. The holes are the same. This part here is just so loose, it's just not going to stay. And it was really disappointing to me because I was really hoping that these would turn out and be the same as the Santa ones. But I still like how it turned out, and I'm still going to use them. You know, I put them on my kids, you know, on a kids package. The kids aren't going to care that the head's a little tiny off. They're not even going to notice. They're going to be tickled to be able to have the little button to put on their outfit or their backpack or, you know, wherever they want to put it. It just upset me that, you know, it was loose. So I'm ordering more of those, and we'll be happy when they come in so I can make some more of these tags. because they really are super easy to make, super easy to mass produce, and I was really happy with them. So, excuse me. I hope that you like them, and I hope I'm explaining well how I did them. I did a tutorial with the Santa one, which I said I will link below in the description box, showing you exactly how I did it. So in case you want, if you have a button maker, you know, or whatever, you can. And if you don't have a button maker, you can also use the bottle caps. You could use the 1-inch bottle caps, punch out the circle, put it on, and then put a just glue, hot glue, one of the little clips that, you know, to wear on your shirt. You can pin, you could glue that onto the back of a bottle cap, and you could still make these tags. And I felt bad, I forgot to say that when I did the Santa video. You can still make these, just use the bottle caps instead of the buttons if you don't have a button maker. But I really love my button maker, and I actually think it's probably one of the best investments. I wish I had had it when my kids were in school, because I really would have used it a lot more. And so I'm very happy with my investment in it. But if you don't have one, you can still make tags like this. Just use the bottle caps, punch out the circle, put it inside the bottle cap, put the little plastic dome on, and then hot glue the pin on the back, and you've got something very similar to do. And like I said, these were all free from Google. So if you have any questions or anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to answer them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave them below. And remember to practice your CPR. Craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.